Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to recreate this look. It's very simple. It's mainly focused on the wing liner and making the skin look very glowy and healthy. So if you want to learn how I get this look, just stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've already done my foundation and I've already done my eyebrows. For foundation I used my Estee Lauder Double Wear. For concealer, my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. And then for eyebrows I use my Morphe Brow Pomade in Latte. So right now what I'm doing is I'm bronzing my skin, and for bronzer I'm using my Tarte Amazonian Clay Palette, one of the bronzers there. To contour my skin, I'm going in with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I really like this bronzer because it's not super warm and therefore it's perfect for contouring. A lot of contour powders, they're very gray, but this one is not gray, but it's also not orange. So I use that just to contour, and then I also use that same powder to contour my nose as well. And you want to make sure you are blending everything out as you go. So I'm going to take my powder foundation brush. It has a little bit of residue from the powder foundation, and it kind of helps blur out any harsh lines. Okay, so for eyeshadow, I'm taking neutral eyeshadows. I'm going to be using my Tarte Amazonian Clay Palette, and I'm taking the shade Instinct, and I'm putting that all over my lids. And then in my crease, I'm just taking the same bronzer that I used on my face, and that bronzer was Terracotta from Tarte. So I'm done with eyeshadow. It was very simple. My main focus is the wing liner, so I'm gonna make sure I make a thick, long wing liner. Well, at least it is for me. I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. liquid liner. This is my favorite liquid liner. It's amazing. Okay, so 30 minutes later, now I'm gonna move on to mascara. Make sure you coat your top and bottom lashes really well. I didn't show this, but I go over my bottom lashes probably a few times, probably 3 times. But before I do that, I want to make sure I smoke out my bottom lash line, and I'm just using a dark bronzer. So this is the bronzer Timber from the same Tarte Amazonian Clay Palette, and I just use a little bit of a darker bronzer on my bottom lash line because it's just the perfect brown that I'm looking for. And so now I'm just gonna apply some falsies. Again, these are some old falsies that I have. I don't really know the name of them, but I always like fuller, thicker lashes. Okay, so I'm just taking some of my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder just to kind of clean up the contour. This kind of makes my face look a little more snatched once I'm done. And then I'm gonna go in with blush. I'm taking this blush from the Blotto collection from Smashbox. I don't know the name of it, but it's pink and it has a little bit of iridescence to it. That kind of adds to the glow, the overall glow of the face. Now I will go in with setting spray, and I do my setting spray before just so that the highlight adheres a little bit better. So for highlighter, this is the secret. I'm using my Nicole palette from Anastasia, and if you have this palette, you know how intense the highlight is. It makes your skin look wet. It's amazing. So I'm just taking Kitty Cat to highlight my inner corners, and then for the rest of my face, I'm highlighting with Forever Young. I absolutely love this palette. It's seriously a must-have, and I think they're still making it. So for my lips, I am lining my lips with my Kylie Exposed lip pencil. That's why it's a little messed up. Those lip pencils I don't like them. It separates. Okay, and for lipstick, I'm using Maybelline Lipstick 915 in Blushing Beige. For lip gloss, my Kylie lip gloss in Literally. And that's the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, be sure to give my video a like and subscribe if you like to see more videos. So see you next time. Bye.